Nationwide Retirement Planner Honest Review. Wait before using. Nationwide Retirement Planner platform, known as My Income Retirement Planner, is designed to assist individuals in preparing for retirement by offering a suite of tools and resources. This includes is particularly tailored for participants in employees-sponsored plans such as 401k, 413b, and 457b. And here are the key major features about this platform that makes it stand out compared to other planners. It comes with a personalized planning, a chance of success score, and what if a scenario is also a key features, and integration with an external account, and a mobile accessibility, which is one of the best features on this platform. So talking about the downside and the good side and the bad side of this platform, because it is good to understand the good side and the bad side before diving into the particular investment planner. So talking about the good side, comes with comprehensive tools, a user-friendly interface, and educational resources. Now talking about the downside, the mixed user review and the technical issue. There have been a report of technical glitch within the mobile app affecting user experience, and also comes with limited availability. The planner is primarily available to participants in employee-sponsored plan administered by Nationwide, potentially limiting access for individual investors. And here's the overall conclusion about this platform. So this platform offers a robust set of tools for individuals participating in employee-sponsored retirement plan. It also offers a personalized approach and comprehensive features, make it a valuable resource for retirement planning. However, potential users should be aware of reported customer service issues and ensure that the platform aligns with their specific needs. So if you have any further questions or need more information on other retirement planner tools, feel free to comment down below. Thanks.